So Apple finally came out with their Apple Creator Studio Suite, and I'm going to be checking out Final Cut Pro today. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Woo! All right, so let's open up Final Cut Pro and check out some of these new features. Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro, bro. So it's downloading content now. It's downloading it. What I'm really excited about looking at is looking at the transcript detection. So really seeing how good the AI is in terms of finding specific things I'm saying in a video. Some of the other nuances, like the items I'm holding, or maybe the location I'm in. So I really want to see some of those things. I don't know how good they're going to be, but we're going to find out together. So that's really, really cool. So I'm going to actually bring in some clips. Let me see if I can just drag it into the events folder. There we go. So now that we drag it into the events folder, oh, it's kind of giving us a step-by-step. I'm going to search keywords and put in Sony A7S Mark IV video. So I'm going to put in Sony A7IV. There you go. So I just typed that in and it automatically found the video for me. So I'm going to type in Sony, right? And it brought up my Sony video here. What about camera? Oh, that's dope. That's really dope. So I just typed in the word camera and it automatically finds any piece of footage that shows a camera. That's pretty dope. Let me hear what I'm saying here. I don't know what I'm saying here. Let me hear what I'm saying here. The autofocus on this camera. So I say the word camera in this video here, and it picked that up. It's analyzing all my video clips and already finding all of the areas where I'm showing cameras or I'm saying cameras. Let me see this here. And if you're excited, you want to sign up, right? That's really cool. So let me try drone. So I'm saying drone in it. Then there's drones that I'm showing in the video clips. This is a massive, massive, massive upgrade. This is going to save you so much freaking time when you're looking through your footage and you're trying to line things up and you just want to get a quick clip. I'm going to type in beach. It brings up a beach drone shot. That beach shot right there, right? Like, this is amazing. I'm just going to type in my name, see if it brings up Tristan. It brings me up, and then hold on. For another episode of Cinecut. Tristan here again. This is crazy. This is so good. This is actually really good. I'm very excited. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yo. Hey, yo. This is game changing because this will allow you to quickly find items and bits and pieces of words or things that were said in a video, maybe in previous videos, that you can just slap in really quickly. Imagine if you have clips or digital versions of movies where you want to get a certain line or a certain scene or a certain moment in a movie, and you just want to clip it really quickly. You can throw it into Final Cut and type it literally within seconds, type in the word or the thing or the setting, and it'll find it. Let me see if it'll find sunset. This video, this is crazy. So this was in the morning. This is sunrise. But the thing that I find interesting is that it's picking up the time of day that it is. Well, not the time of day, but like what sunset would look like would be similar to sunrise. It actually picked out a scene that it thinks is sunset when it really is sunrise, but nobody would know the difference. I'm not talking about sunset in this or sunrise in this. And it picked it out for me. It's taking like anywhere from 5 to 10 second clips. And if there is anything within that space that identifies or connects with the word that you're typing, then it kind of will give some fatty edges. So it'll give a little bit of space before and after, which is good. It's not giving you like just a frame and then you have to kind of extend that frame. It's giving you multiple frames before it chops it off. And I mean, this is awesome. This is amazing. All right, so let me know your thoughts about this quick demo of the search AI search functionality in Final Cut Pro. You can find anything from objects to descriptions of skies to what people are wearing to the text that's on different items to the specific items like cameras and lenses and things of that nature. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are you impressed? Is this a game changer? Do you think this is just a gimmick? I think it's awesome. But comment below, ask some questions. Let me know what your thoughts are. Until the next time, stay creative, stay blessed, stay focused, and subscribe. Peace.